Hi viewers, welcome to another video. Today we're at Ambergate. Single line track. That way goes to Nottingham and Derby via Belper. And that way goes to Cromford and Matlock. It's run by East Midland Railway, this is. This is a very quiet trek, this one. I think the train is going every half an hour, not sure. But certainly you won't see no steam trains or locos coming through this one. You have to excuse my voice. I'm on medication for my sore mouth. I've got an infection in my mouth, so you have to excuse my voice if it goes all funny. I'm not sure. I think the next train is coming from that direction, I think. Next stop is Belper, which is a bigger station. 2 tracks, I think. Might be 4 tracks. Not too sure. Like I say, that way go to Cromford Mill and Matlock. East Midlands Railway 534.
Platform 1 for the 11:32 service to Nottingham. Calling at Belper, Derby, Swansea, Long Eaton, Easton and Nottingham.
Now the driver's gone to pick up his special key he needs. And let the signal box down the road now, he's on his way. Make sure it's safe. And this one's going to Nottingham via Derby. Surely Nottingham's closer than Derby, isn't it? I don't know. Driver's on the phone now. Can I get my train through now, please? He's asking. Looks okay, mate. Yep, okay. Off they go. Like I said, it's a very quiet station. Lots of pot plants about. CCTV cameras up there. More plants. I think there's more plants than there are passengers actually. What time's the next train coming? 8 minutes to 12. Going to Matlock. That's another 20 minutes. And that's it, folks. That's Ambergate. There's no office here, you've got to buy tickets in a machine. There's no toilets, there's no shop, there's nothing. Just a quiet little village railway station. Don't forget to subscribe.